Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Well, what we're gonna do is to show you how you can steam some broccoli and beans at home. This is some broccoli which I have right here, and I'm just gonna simply cut off the bottom part just like this. I'm gonna be steaming them. Nice one. And right here we have some string bean. Just cutting off the edges then. Just want to introduce you guys to some veg, which is really good. And it doesn't take long to cook. It's very easy and simple. Nice one. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright? So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna simply wash them off and steam them in that right away. Nice. So basically I have a big container right here with some water with a colander inside of it. So basically put it straight inside of it like this. Just like this. And like that. And just give it 3 minutes. Next what we're gonna do is just pop a pack of frozen veg inside of it just for color. Carrot, sweet corn, more broccoli. And this one, guys, you can have it with your Sunday dinner, your during week dinner, and it's just really nice to go with something really good. Nice and lovely. So now this is finished, and basically all you have to do, turn off the stove and look at this. Be careful of this, really hot. All right, so as you can see, that looks so lovely and nice, and that's the easiest way you could ever steam your veg at home. Very easy and simple, guys, to do that at home. Nothing complicated, and I'm telling you, it's just really nice. And hopefully you guys just enjoy this one. It's a new idea from Chef Ricardo. As you can see, really nice healthy vegetable to go with your dinner, or you can have it on its own. It's up to you guys. Just enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, and this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. Bye bye. As you can see, it doesn't take too long to cook, roughly about 5 to 6 minutes in it, and that's it. Really nice.